Cyclone Alfred, a powerful storm, hit the coast of Australia. It started in the ocean, where warm water gave it energy. Alfred grew stronger and became a Category 2 cyclone. This means it had very strong winds that could cause a lot of damage. The cyclone made landfall on Moreton Island. This is an island off the coast of Queensland. Alfred was a Category 1 cyclone when it hit the land. Even though it was weaker, it still brought a lot of rain and strong winds. The cyclone moved slowly inland. It passed over cities like Brisbane and the Gold Coast. These are big cities with many people. The storm caused a lot of damage along the way. Now Alfred is not a cyclone anymore. It has become a tropical low. But the danger is not over. There is still a lot of rain and wind. Cyclone Alfred has left its mark on Australia. Sadly, one person died in the floods caused by the heavy rain. Many others are hurt, including some soldiers who had an accident in the storm. The storm's power cut off electricity for many people. Over 330,000 homes and businesses were left in the dark. This made it hard for people to cook, stay warm, and go about their daily lives. The heavy rain caused flash floods. These are sudden floods that happen very quickly. Rivers and creeks overflowed and water rushed through the streets. Many houses and buildings were damaged by the water. The cyclone also caused problems for transportation. Schools were closed in Queensland and New South Wales. Airports had to cancel flights because of the strong winds and rain. People couldn't travel easily. Australians are strong and resilient people. They are known for helping each other in times of need. The government has stepped in to help those affected by Cyclone Alfred. The government has promised to give money to people who have been badly affected. Adults will receive $1,000 and children will get $400. This money will help people buy food, clothes, and other essential items. Special places called evacuation centres have been opened. These centres provide shelter, food, and water to people who have had to leave their homes. Hundreds of people are staying in these centres until it is safe to return home. The government is also working hard to restore power to the areas affected by the blackout. Emergency crews are working around the clock to fix power lines and get the electricity back on. Cyclone Alfred has passed, but the recovery process will take time. People will need to rebuild their homes and their lives. The Australian spirit shines through in times of adversity. This kind of severe cyclone is unusual for southeast Queensland. People in this area are not used to such powerful storms, yet they are facing the challenge with strength and determination. The communities affected by Cyclone Alfred will come together. They will support each other and rebuild their lives. The Australian spirit of resilience will help them overcome this disaster.